Welcome to my house. 歡迎你嚟我屋企。歡迎你嚟我屋企。Please come in. 請入嚟啦。請入嚟啦。Take a seat, please. 隨便坐。隨便坐。Would you like some tea or juice? 你想要茶定係果汁？你想要茶定係果汁？ Yes, tea please. 茶啊，唔該。茶啊，唔該。No thanks, I just have coffee. 多謝啦，我啱啱飲咗咖啡。多謝啦，我啱啱飲咗咖啡。How long will you stay in Mandalay? 你會喺曼德勒留幾耐啊？你會喺曼德勒留幾耐啊？ About 2 weeks. 大概兩星期。大概2星期。Let's have dinner together. 不如一齊食晚飯。不如一齊食晚飯。I gotta leave now. I will be back next year. 我而家要走啦。出年會再嚟。我而家要走啦。出年會再嚟。